Hey, what's up friends, it's Julie, and let me show you the app that I use to create restaurant quality dishes at home on a budget. So the app is called Mealline. This beautiful app that promises to save you money, save you time, and help you find and create delicious recipes. So here's how the app works. After downloading it from the App Store, they'll have you choose your diet. For me, I choose vegan. However, there's like 8 different types. Choose one that makes sense to you. And if you still need to narrow things down, you can tell them your allergies and also the things that you just don't like. Next, you get to decide how many servings you would like to make. 2, 4, or 6. For me, I choose 2. That's enough for me as a single brother, you know, ladies, single brother. That's enough for me as a single person to have a meal for myself and leftovers, or have a meal for myself and share with other people. It's way more than enough. I love Mealline for this because their recipes do not skimp out on the portions. They got the portion down pat. Thank you, Mealline. Respond to my DM.
That's right. I knew this review was coming and I reached out to them and they left me on red.
Then they give you the option to set a reminder to, tell you need to go meal prep, but I don't care. I just turn this off. I just go shopping when I see there's no food left. For you, you would create an account. However, I have one already, so I'm just gonna skip this part. Now we can get to the fun stuff. This is where everything comes together. There are a ton of different controls here. However, you do not need to mess with any of them. But if you would like me to do a more advanced walkthrough of this app, let me know in the comments below. Whenever you're ready to get recipes, you'll click this button. Then they will show you recipes that are suitable for your diet. Now remember, this app is completely free. However, they do offer a few more recipes and features if you get their pro account. Now, I know you probably don't like subscriptions. I don't either. However, this one is completely worth it in my opinion, because this app seriously saves me about $40 per grocery trip. So I shop once a week. That's $40 a week for $5 a month. You do the math. Once you're here, you get to choose between all types of menus. You want a dessert? You want some breakfast food? You're feeling lunch? You're feeling Mediterranean? Whatever you're feeling, they got it covered for you. Pick a category you want to pull from and choose your recipe. However, they also have a feature that I believe is a game changer. If you choose to click this section, the app will combine recipes and create a meal plan for you. But what sets this feature apart is how they do it. Instead of throwing a bunch of recipes together, they combine things in ways that make sense. They put together recipes that use similar ingredients. So you shop for less and you waste less, which saves you money and is also good for the planet. Here you can swipe through recipe plans that share similar ingredients. You can customize how many meals you would like to shop for, and you can also see how much food will be left over if you go with that plan. And here is where things get even better. After you choose the meals that you want to shop for, they create the shopping list for you. The very first thing that you want to do is cross out all of the ingredients that you have already. Once you do that, a big long list turns into something that's really manageable. As you can see, the ingredients are separated by the section that you would find them in the store. This makes shopping super quick and easy. You go in, you get out. Everything's where you expect it to be. It doesn't stop there. If you prefer not to do the shopping yourself, you can order your groceries directly from the app. And if you don't want them to deliver them, you can just go pick them up. Like, you can shop, you can pick them up, you can have them delivered. There's no excuse not to have healthy food at home. That's really the message that I'm trying to share here. This is why I'm sharing you this app. I want you to have access to healthy recipes, have access to healthy food, and stock your fridge, stock your pantry up with things that are good for you. And this app is super powerful and it can do just that. Who knows? Maybe one day Mealline will respond to me and give me that referral link, so maybe I can make a little bit of money from a review like this, because I'm giving them a raving review. So if they ever do respond, I'll drop the link in the comments. I'll put it in the description. Please use that link if they ever give it to me, because it will help my channel. But you know, until next time, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Love you. Peace.